Okay, everyone, what you're looking at here is the next generation in the Kibbletron series. This is a completely different design than the last one. We have a little food hopper, the motor, and there's like a little blade at the bottom that spins around. So when Bert, the operator down there, presses the pedal, it will spin the rotor and dispense food for him. So let's get it running and we'll show you how it works. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, it's running now. Okay, Bert, let's see you do it. What do? You know what to do. You gonna press the pedal? Where's the pedal? There's the pedal right there. Come on, let's see you press the pedal. That's not the pedal. Press the pedal.
Press the pedal.
Good boy. Where's the pedal? Hey? Press the pedal, come on. Come on, you gotta show how clever you are. Let's see. You gonna press the pedal? Good boy. You gotta press the pedal. No, you're cheating. Come on, press the pedal. Bird?
Birdie.
Bird. Where's the pedal? Press the pedal. Good boy. Press the pedal. Come on. Oh, he's getting violent. Come on, press the pedal. Birdie. Oh. Hey, where's the pedal?
Sorry.
Okay, press the pedal. Come on.
Come on, Bert.
You know how to do it. You know how to do it. Where's the pedal? Good.
There we go.
Hey, Bert. I think he's figured it out.
Yep. Pretty smart guy.
Right. I think we're just about done here. I think it's jamming a little bit. Oh, good job. Good boy. Bert fixed it.
Yeah.
Hey, Birdie. Bert. You hungry, Bert?
Tap it again, Bert.
You get burned?
Tap
No
it again.
food came out. Oh, there you go. You know, I think we're out of food. Okay, Bert, until next time, you're going to say bye to all your fans? See you later, Bert. Bye-bye.